Today we're taking a look at the hardtop roof rack for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. This upgrade is going to be perfect for Wrangler owners seeking to enhance their vehicle's cargo carrying capacity by adding a durable and functional roof rack. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or you need extra space for your gear, this roof rack offers a practical solution without compromising the rugged aesthetics of your Jeep. This hardtop roof rack boasts a modular design allowing you to customize it for various cargo needs. It features a tipped front wind deflector that not only adds to its aerodynamic profile, but also helps reduce that wind noise during travel. With a load capacity of 150 pounds, this roof rack provides ample space for transporting luggage, camping gear, or sports equipment. Now, I couldn't fit the entire thing built out here on the desk, but I have the wind deflector for the front, and you can kind of see how the side works with these nice beefy cross supports. This is going to be especially useful for extra gear on off-road adventures and on-road road trips. Its all-steel perimeter construction ensures durability and strength, making it a reliable addition for both daily commutes and off-road adventures. This entire thing is constructed from very heavy-duty steel, and the hardtop roof rack is built to withstand the demands of various terrains and weather conditions. The fully welded 1-inch top and the 1.3-inch bottom bars, along with the heavy-gauge rectangular steel crossbars, provide a sturdy framework for securing your cargo. The multi-stage, fine-textured black powder coat finish not only enhances that visual appeal, but it also is going to offer superior protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity and sustained performance. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $500 price range. And that price tag is going to reflect the quality of the construction, the functional design, and added utility that it brings to your Wrangler. So all things considered, this is sitting at a pretty solid price point in my opinion. Installation on this is nice and straightforward, so we're going to rate this one a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 1 hour of your time. The roof rack is designed for no drill assembly, utilizing existing mounting points that are on your Jeep. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, an extension, Phillips head screwdriver, 10 and 13 millimeter sockets, 5mm Allen socket, 5mm Allen wrench, and some plastic pry tools. What's up guys? Today we're installing a roof rack on our Wrangler, so let's get started. So now the first thing you want to do is lay out the frame of your roof rack on the ground. Now our two side pieces are exactly the same. The front and back are different. The one with the logo is going to be for the front. So with this all laid out, we're going to grab our hardware and tighten down our 4 corners. So at each corner we have 2 holes. We're going to be taking an Allen bolt with a flat washer going through the front, and then we have a flat washer, lock washer, and nut for the other side. So just stick your bolts through. Get that through your side piece. And then get your flat washer, lock washer, and nut on the other side. And then repeat that process on the other 4 corners, and then once this thing's straightened out, we'll come back and tighten it down. And now once you have your hardware installed on all 4 corners, you can take your 5mm Allen wrench on your bolt side and a 13mm socket on the nut side to tighten this down. And then do that same thing on your other 3 corners. Now next we have our crossbars. We've got 5 of them that are going to go on these mounting tabs using the same hardware that we used for our frame. So just slide those down into place. Do the same thing for the other 4, and then we'll grab our hardware and tighten these down. So now I've got a block of wood under our frame just to give me a little bit of access underneath here so I can get my hardware installed. So from the top, we're going to drop an Allen bolt and a flat washer. And then on the bottom, we're going to get another flat washer, lock washer, and nut. then we're just gonna do that same thing for all the holes on these crossbars. You're gonna want your hardware installed on both sides before you start tightening them down. So now we're going to take our 5mm Allen wrench and 13mm socket to tighten these down. Now you do have some side-to-side adjustability, so you get them evened up. And then get your 13mm socket on your nut side, 5mm Allen wrench on your bolt side, and tighten them down. And then repeat that process for the bolts on the other side. Now next we have these covers that are going to be going at all four corners where our corners join. We've got these two pieces that are going to stick through these holes. And then on the back side we have a spacer. Now there's a slot in the middle on one side that's going to be going towards here. And then we have a screw that's going through that spacer on the other side. So line up these two holes and pop that into place, and then we'll flip around to the other side to install our screws. So now get your screw through the flat side of that spacer and then line it up and thread it into that hole. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then repeat that process for your other three corners. Next, we're going to install our front mounts. So we're going to line up the 4 threaded holes with the 4 slots on our roof rack and thread in our Allen bolts with the lock washer and flat washer. And just thread those in hand tight for now. We do want to be able to slide this back and forth once it's up on top of our Jeep so that we can make adjustments before we tighten it down. So now with it hand tight, we can still slide it back and forth. So do that same thing on the other side. Now the last thing we need to do before we can get our rack up onto the roof is install our rear mounting brackets. We're going to be popping off the plastic covers on our rear glass hinge, and then it's going to expose 2 10mm bolts. We're going to pull those out and then put them back through our bracket, and then we can pop our cover back on. So now we have a little slot on the bottom of our cover here that you can get a plastic pry tool up into to push that clip and release it. And then pop these hooks off the top here. Now we're going to take a 10mm socket and remove these 2 bolts. Now I'm going to stick my plastic pry tool right in here so that our window doesn't come up when we remove these bolts. I definitely recommend doing these one at a time. Now pop that bolt out, grab your bracket, and put your bolt through the hole in the bracket. This will definitely be easier with a second set of hands if you have some available to you. And then you can go back in with your 10mm socket and tighten those down. You want to make sure that your bracket's nice and level. And you can pull out that plastic pry tool and then grab your cover. Once again, get those 2 hooks onto here, and then this bottom is going to clip on there. Do the same thing on the other side. So now I've got myself a buddy. We're going to lift this thing up onto the roof of our Jeep. And now we're going to install our rubber spacer on this post here. We've got an Allen head bolt. It's going to be a 4mm instead of the 5mm that we've been using, with a flat washer. It's gonna go right into that slot, and then we'll take a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten it down. So now we can thread it into those threads in our roof rack. And then grab your 4mm Allen wrench and tighten it down. And then do the same thing on the other side. So now we're gonna start at the rear with tightening down our roof rack to our mounts. We have this nut plate that we're gonna slide underneath of our plate here. And then we have an Allen bolt with a lock washer and flat washer. We're gonna have 4 going into each of these holes. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we can tighten it all down. So now slide that nut plate underneath, and then get your bolt started. Now once you have it lined up and your bolts installed on both sides, you can take that 5mm Allen wrench to tighten this down. I've already got the bolts in over there, so I'm just going to snug these up. Now do the same thing on the other side. So now we're gonna move on to our front clamps here. We have this clamp, this part's gonna hook underneath our hardtop, and then we're gonna slide our bolts in. We're just gonna get those hand tight for now, and then we're gonna go back up to the bolts that we left loose, tighten those down, and then we'll tighten these 3 down. So now hook your bracket underneath of your hardtop and start threading in your bolts. Pull down on our roof rack a little bit to get my holes to line up better. And now with those threaded in, we're going to hop up top, tighten down these 4 bolts. And then tighten down the 3 on your clamp. And then repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the hardtop roof rack for your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Thank you for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.